Hi everyone, I'm Karman Meyer, registered dietitian with the Tennessee Beef Council, and today we're making Beefy Sweet and Sloppy Joes. As a registered dietitian, I love this recipe because not only does it taste great, but it's also certified by the American Heart Association. All we need for this recipe is 1 pound of 96% lean ground beef. I've already started heating my skillet over medium heat, so we can go ahead and add in our beef. Always love to hear that sizzle when I'm cooking beef at home. In addition to the beef, we're also adding 3/4 cup of chopped yellow onion and 1 cup of diced bell pepper. I'm using orange today, but you could use any color bell pepper that you have on hand. They all work great. And now we're just going to let this cook over that medium heat, breaking up our ground beef into small pieces and trying to incorporate those veggies. So as I said, this is a heart-healthy recipe, and you can see we're adding in lots of fresh vegetables. This is a good way to use up any vegetables you might already have on hand. Maybe your bell peppers aren't looking so great. Well, you can chop them up and add them here, and you won't know any different. Plus, it's always good to sneak in those vegetables when we can with the kids. So beef definitely has a place in a heart-healthy lifestyle. As I mentioned, we are using 96% lean ground beef, and if you can't find 96% lean, you could go for 93% or 94% lean as well to meet that lean criteria. But there's a lot of other lean cuts of beef available at the grocery store. If you look for cuts that have the word loin or round in them, that's an indicator that you're getting a lean cut of beef. So beef is a wonderful, nutrient-dense protein. You're getting 10 essential vitamins and minerals in that protein. And when it can fit into a heart-healthy diet as well, I think that's a pretty good deal. The other great thing that I love about this recipe is even though we're using the lean ground beef, we're not sacrificing on flavor. We'll be making our sweet and sloppy Joe sauce here in just a second, but when you're using that lean ground beef, it's nice to cook it in something that has that sauce. Again, you don't have to sacrifice flavor to eat something healthy and nutritious for you. Once your beef has cooked all the way through, it's time to make the sloppy Joe sauce. 3 simple ingredients to make this sauce. We need 12 ounces of 100% vegetable juice, and you can turn your heat down to about a medium-low. We'll add in our vegetable juice. We have 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar, and then 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. And we just mix that together, again over a medium-low heat. We want this sauce to thicken up. Some of that liquid is going to evaporate, and we'll have a nice, saucy, sloppy Joe. I like serving these beefy, sweet, and sloppy Joes on a whole wheat bun for some added fiber, and then pair it with some fresh fruits and vegetables, whatever your family enjoys. I usually go with some grapes, some carrot sticks, for a nice crunch on the side. But you can find this recipe plus many more American Heart Association certified recipes on tnbeef.org.